I'm Chris Britt with MESO Inc. I'm president of the company. We started the company back in 2014 with the concept of helping support companies like Lepo Inc. and different rental companies, service industries, to support their field techs in service at both their locations and out in the field with their customer base. We go out in the field and we service their fleet in the field, whether it be truck, trailer fleet, or construction equipment fleets. Our trucks are all diversified based on the skill set of the technician in the territory we work in. So we're there to support or complement programs that are already in place or fully implement a whole maintenance program for our customers. Right now we cover the tri-state area of Ohio, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia. The maintainer body has been a great service maintenance body for us. It's the longevity of the bed. It's the quality of construction. We're looking for something American made. We're looking for a quality product. The idea that we can extend this box onto a second chassis means a lot for our company. The steps getting up in here, the grab rails, the tie off, and maintainer does a great job with that. You can see that there's been a lot of thought in that process there to make sure that there's 3 points entry getting on and off the truck. And that's something we look at very closely too, that it's got the right lighting, it's got the right ambers, it has all that to make sure that that tech, regardless of his environment, is safe as he can be. The crane was a big piece for us to have that on and make sure that the tech was going to be safe and it wasn't going to be any exertion lifting. It's more of a safety precaution, this crane, and it's done a nice job for us. When we started working with the team at Maintainer and Bryan with MTech, we saw that the support was going to be there for us, which that's a big piece for us. There's a handful of people making quality service bodies out there. It was more about the product support, and with the product support we've had with Bryan and the team at Maintainer as we engineered design this, we felt very comfortable when we signed off on this that we were getting what we needed and that they were very helpful in the process.